Get a boneless fish. Dry fish. Cut fish. Add vinegar. Add soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add salt. Add mixed herbs. Add paprika powder. Add cumin powder. Add red chili powder. Add curry powder. Add chili flakes. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Add corn flour. Marinate for 30 minutes. Add 1 cup breadcrumbs. Add mixed herbs. Cover fish with breadcrumbs. Pour oil. Fry the fish. Wait till it's brown. Add yogurt. Add garlic and paprika paste. Add sweet chili sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add salt. Add brown sugar. And mix. Add chili flakes. Garnish with sauce and fish spring onions. And you're done.